Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Walmart video. Hey! Excuse me, ma'am. You guys have really been enjoying the Ballin' on a Budget series where we go into a more affordable store and we pick out a full face of makeup and then we see what works. And then that's just what we do, girl. So I love drugstore makeup and I have some favorites, but I have a ton of new stuff because I just got back from Walmart. So girl, I'm excited to try some stuff out. Also, they had some new brands. In this video, I partnered with Reward Style and Walmart on doing a full face of makeup. I really love Walmart. You guys know that. I have done so many organic videos with Walmart and they have such a big cosmetic section where they have just a ton of brands to pick from, so you have a lot of options in Walmart. You can always get a great price there, of course. So I cannot wait to dive in, girl. We got the new Maybelline concealer, the new infallible stick foundation, which you guys know I love the liquid, and so much more. But wait, there's more. Seriously, there's more. And with that being said, we are going to sing the subscribe song and we're going to jump right into this video. Hello, won't you subscribe to my channel? Subscribe. Let's just jump right into the video. Girl, Drew up in here with Flower Beauty, and I really like this makeup line. I'm gonna check out Maybelline because I think they have a couple new things, and then we have, of course, Revlon. So we'll peek through and see what we got. So this is a new product that I have never tried, Highlighter from Physicians Formula. So I am definitely gonna get that. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Oh, we got some more stuff. Let's get a couple of these. Let's see, Shake Me setting spray. Okay, we're gonna get her definitely to try out. Night creams, Physicians Formula got the new. Okay, now we're into LauraLee. Let's see if they have anything exciting. This is a new brand I've never heard of before. It's called Found, and I'm gonna grab this blush here because it looks really pretty. It's like a baked blush, and we're gonna try out a new brand today.
You're not in it.
I'm not?
No, you're in it now. Right there.
Oh my gosh, I haven't tried this. The infallible stick. The stick? Oh, is this a highlighter? Girl, this is a highlighter. This ain't foundation.
We can use highlighter as foundation.
Oh, they do have the foundation. Look, Erin. 406, warm beige. Let's go, girl. Right there. We trying it out. Is the stick good? Keep watching to find out more. They got the press-ons. Look at these sparkles. These would be cute for Halloween.
Put them in.
Also, we got tons of goodies to go home and try out.
Goodies.
Girl, goodies. I'm gonna put my little baby sharks in my hair because I will touch my hair this whole entire video if I don't put it back, and you guys know this. The first product I'm gonna be using is the Hello Hydration Face Cream by e.l.f. They have actually a pretty large skincare section in Walmart now. I have been really enjoying e.l.f. products lately, so I'm gonna hydrate. This leaves for a really great look underneath the makeup. Oh, this smells so nice. So we're gonna add a little hydration, and then we're gonna keep the hydration party going because I picked up a new product from Revlon. It's called Rose Glow. This is a hydrating, illuminating primer, and it just looks so beautiful in the package, so I just had to pick it up. Honestly, I don't know, it's just like something so loomy about this product. Look at that. Not a lot comes out on the little pump, but wow, look at that. It's got such a loomy glow to it. Oh my gosh, get on my face. I've been really loving the glowiness. You know, I am not honestly much of a matte girl. Like, I typically don't wear my makeup that matte. This smells kind of like roses, but it's not intrusive. It's like really faint. I'm excited to get started. This also felt really lightweight, so it felt fabulous. Here I go. I'm so excited to try out this next product. This is the Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. So it's foundation with sunscreen in it, which is fabulous. I picked up the shade 407 Natural Beige. But I did pick up the shade. Now, you guys know how I feel about all the Infallible foundations. Like, the whole bit. The best. I have high hopes and I have a lot of pressure I'm putting on the stick. Oh, she's gliding on my butter. I think we have a little facial primer or something right there. Like, I mean, she is like butter. I also like picked at my face because I have a little bit of breakouts happening right now, and I'm just like, can you please go away? And I am just going to Wow, okay, so it's melting. Can you guys see that? It's like melting into the skin. It's blending out really easy. I know sometimes people feel like sticks are like hard to blend and really thick, but honestly, they've gotten them so good now. It's just not like that anymore. Okay, this color is nice and it is just really blending in easy. First impressions, I would say it kind of looks similar as the liquid foundation. This is medium coverage. Yeah, I think I need just a little more coverage though, I'll be honest. So, but what a great everyday foundation, right? If you don't want to be a full coverage queen, you could just, and this could be very medium coverage. What do you guys think about this foundation? I think it looks really nice. It blended out effortlessly and it's medium coverage, but you can build it up, so that's always marvelous. We are going to try out the Maybelline Superstay. I have been wanting to try this concealer, almost called a foundation, for a while. I got the shade Light 15. So it comes on a little doe foot applicator in a tube, which is interesting packaging, but I do like that. Oh, I got some on my lower lash. That's okay. So a little on the nose. Little on the nose. Okay, there we go. I have the biggest zit right here too, and it literally hurts to even think about it. So that's just something I'm gonna have to deal with later. I'm gonna take this brush and just blend it. She's blending out really easily, really brightening to the under eye. I feel like I need a little more to get better coverage, but it does seem to be covering pretty good. And let's see how that coverage builds. Okay, I feel like that is much better coverage. I feel like that looks really nice, so you can kind of layer it up. I really like the concealer first impressions. I think it blended out super easy, and I think my under eyes look pretty gosh darn covered. So a powder that I have just been really enjoying, and I get asked all the time, like, girl, what's a good drugstore powder that don't flash back? And this is your girl. This is a really good one. It's the True Blends Mineral Powder from Covergirl. This is the shade Translucent. It's not like one of those super silky translucent powders. Like if you can tell, it has like a little bit of color to it, which I think is part of the reason it really just doesn't flash back. I'm gonna take this little sponge and we're just gonna have to bake, which this will too intensify the coverage and help everything to just not crease. While we're baking our cake, I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer. You guys know I love this bronzer. I didn't really see a specific brand new one that I should grab, so I just grabbed one of my favorite bronzers you can get at Walmart. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It is so nice and it smells like coconut. Oh, I want a pina colada on a beach filming this video. We need to make that happen somehow. On a beach with a pina colada. I'm down. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust this on my forehead area to kind of carve it out. My cheekbones to define them. Small little circular motions. And I always hit the jawline. Sometimes Ty's like, oh, you got a lot of bronzer on your jaw. And I'm like, Ty,
did I ask you?
So what I'll do now is take a foundation brush, or you can take whatever you got on hand, a leaf blower, whatever it might be, and just dust off that excess powder. I think we are just looking fabulous, full coverage queen here. Next up for blush, I found this Bake Luminizing Blush from the brand Found. Now, I have never heard of this brand or seen it before, but they have a nice section in Walmart, so I picked it up. This one is in number 60, Peach Glow. Ooh, do you guys see that? That's really pretty. Just watch it, Rosy. Oh, it's very glowy, but really pretty, so shall we, darlings? Wow, look at that. Wow. Girl, that's about to be a highlight for real. It's like a highlight, but gosh, isn't it pretty? We're moving on with another product from Physicians Formula, and it is a Rosy Highlight. I'm gonna swatch it too. Whoa, she's like really pearlescent. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am. Whoa. Wow, this is, oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. Like the bronzer smells like coconuts. This smells really rosy. So we're moving on with another rosy product is Rose All Stay Illuminating Setting Spray. It says Shake Me, and this is by Physicians Formula as well. They came out like a rosy collection. You can never trust a sprayer. There you go. You gotta like test it out and see how it's gonna behave. So I always wet my foundation once I got all my face products on, and then I move on to eyes. Oh, it smells so good. You guys know I have to have my own moment, but we are really glowing. Today we are really glowing out here. Okay. Next for eyebrows, I actually picked up this Brow Ultra Slim pencil from Maybelline in the color 260 Deep Brown. I just did this brow with it and I loved it like a lot. It's not that waxy. So I'm going to show you guys me doing this brow over here, of course. This is my good brow. This is my brow that misbehaves. Do you guys have that? You just have that one brow that acts up sometimes and you're just like, girl, we got to get it together, both of you. I'm gonna take some of the concealer and I always just clean up a little bit. I don't get crazy carving it out, you know? Not that these brows really look that natural, but always let it be somewhat subtle. Ta-da! Now that I'm done acting cry, we're gonna go ahead and try out some eyeshadows. So I picked up these cream eyeshadows, which I don't play with that often. And look how pretty this looks. So I'm gonna actually put it on a little fluffy blendy brush here. And I'm gonna place it in the crease. I do believe these dry down. And you know what's really pretty with these? If you like just covered your whole eyelid with it and you have like that soft muted brown shade. Gosh, I keep smelling roses. It smells so good. Like my face smells so good. And look how glowy we are today. Oh! Honestly, this with like a coat of mascara, fluttery lash would be the prettiest simple look ever. We are gonna spice it up a little bit though. I'm gonna take Knockout. This is another cranberry shimmer cream eyeshadow. Cranberries are my favorite time to wear in fall time, so I'm sorry if I overdo it with the cranberry shades, but I don't know that I can help it. Okay, here I swatched it just so we could get a feel for how it's going to look. I am going to take some of it on a little blendy brush. And I really just want to pack it on this lid right here. So I'm just pressing it on. Girl, she's gonna be vampy. It is spooky season. Actually, this is not cranberry at all. This is actually like a dark plum. And I live. Now once we have the color kind of packed on and put in place, I'm gonna take a clean blender and I'm just gonna soften up those edges to make it fade gradually. Alrighty, I've smokied out this eye. I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be right back. I feel like our eyes are nice and dark plum and smoky, so now we can move on to the rest. I'm actually going to go in with some of our Physicians Formula Rosy Highlight and I'm gonna pop it into the crease. Into the inner corner. The brow bone. It's like such a cool iridescent color. I'm gonna give these lashes a good old curl. For mascara, I picked up the Snapscara. Can't snap with my left hand. I can't. Can you? Comment down below if you can. I will be very impressed with you. She's supposed to be She is supposed to be clump free and volumizing. Ooh, it has kind of like, it's like a bristly one, but it's kind of like spiky in a way. Coating the lashes very well, like it's grabbing hold of the lashes. It doesn't make them clumpy, so it's definitely clump free. I think it's like all the different little bristles really separates the lashes. Can you tell it's like separating them really well? For lashes, some of my absolute favorite lashes from the drugstore is this Extension Seeker. I said Attention Seeker. 661 from Salon Perfect. They have a ton of lashes there. Actually, my friend Brittany Bear, she collabed with them, and you will see me use her lash collab. It's at Walmart very soon. You can gaze into the future. So we're gonna give them a little bendy poo. And if you let the glue dry just a little bit, it will be way easier to apply because it'll be very tacky. I'm gonna take on a flat brush a little bit of Knockout. Just grab a little bit. Come on. Like some powder is gonna come off. So I'm just gonna dust this literally all the way across. And luckily this product has a little bit of playtime, so you can kind of buff it out and then it kind of dries down. I'm gonna take this Tattoo Studio Maybelline liquid liner and I'm just gonna run it along the cross of the lash because I wanna hide that lash band. For the liner, for my lash line, I'm gonna use this one. This is the Revlon Color Stay. I'm taking my CoverGirl lip liner This one is in the shade 205 Caramel Nude. And I'm going to be using 530 Hot Sand. And by the way, this is by Maybelline. And lastly, I'm just going to pop on a couple rhinestones on the lower lash line just to give it some extra oof. Lastly, we're going to add a little bit more of the Rosy Highlight. And the clips are coming out. Hey guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really, really like it. I liked everything. Everything was very loomy and glowy, really healthy skin, very pretty rosy smelling stuff. Everything worked out really great, and I don't work with cream shadows a lot, but these, if you can tell, they blended out so nice. You just kind of have to build them up, let them dry, play with them, move them around, and then, you know, you just keep building it up. Also, I've been loving this rhinestone trend, so you can add those if you want to. You can leave them off if you want to. And everything else looks beautiful. The foundation so far, it looks so amazing, so I will definitely be wearing that more. I can't wait to. And lastly, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. You know I love you guys to death. And we have so much fun balling on a budget, trying on a bunch of new drugstore product. I love the look. It is so spooky season, and we are ready for September, October. Let's do it, girl. Let's do it. Woo! That is it for this video. I love you all. Subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. La 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 la. That's enough. Where the heck is the clicker?